today's video is a little bit different than what I normally share. And that's because you probably saw that in the description. That wonderful social media site decided to mess with my business. So let me tell you what happened. So actually last week, let me adjust this a little bit. And excuse my messy background. This is real life. I had 3 weekends of events, shows, and then actually last week I was out of town. I was at Disney World for my birthday, because my birthday was actually last month, but I got COVID for my birthday. That's not what I wanted for my birthday, but it is what it is. So anyway, while I was on my trip, about halfway through, I got an email saying that my Facebook account was disabled, and I had 30 days to dispute it, and it would be disabled for good. So normally how I look at stuff like that, I think it's a scam. Most of those kind of emails and text messages, we've all gotten them. I never click on links. So what I did notice though, on that email right above, there was a message from earlier in that day that I tried to change my password, which I did not. So anyway, I did not click on that. I went right to my Facebook app and I was locked out. And it said I violated community standards, which, guys, I did not. I don't post anything questionable at all. I don't even post anything like remotely. My last 2 posts were Disney posts. Basically I could appeal it. You click on it to have them send you a code. Never sent me a code. I did that multiple times over several days, would not. And then even if I tried to go to the help on my Facebook page, it brought up this message or warning or whatever that I can't remember the reason. Something about whatever, violating the standards. It's so frustrating, guys. I've literally cried over this, because this is just like so frustrating, and I know I'm not the only person who's dealt with this. But so still could not get to anything. My daughter and a friend of mine who I'd been texting with, fellow Disney fanatic, and she said that basically my profile had disappeared. I was gone. My business page was still there, which I thought was good. But anyway, so I tried not to stress over this while I was on my trip, but not gonna lie, it was stressing me out. I was hoping once I got home and I could log in on my laptop, maybe that I could somehow, I don't know, I was grasping at straws. Maybe it was something in the app, or who knows. Got home and the same thing, and I wasn't receiving any of the messages, the text messages. I was able to go in and change my password on my account, and I was able to get a code that way. But then once I did that, it still was going back to the text code, which I was never getting. So more Google searches, and I found a way to get the text message. Got it, uploaded my ID, whatever, appealed it, and by now I think I was at like 24 days or 23 days left before my account was disabled. And then about a day and a half later, I got a message saying, we found that you did violate, the community standards, and your Facebook is deactivated, and you cannot appeal this anymore. And basically, too bad, so sad. So that means that all the years of Facebook are gone. Now, I was able to, you can download your Facebook info, but it's not everything. It's not everything. And granted, photos, I have photos. They're from my phone or my laptop. But, you know, posts that come up of events, I'm not going to have any of that back. And the frustrating, this whole thing is there's so many aspects of this that are so frustrating, but all somebody had to do was take a look at my account and see what I share. I share stuff on my kids and trips, and we're talking my personal account. That's it. That doesn't violate anything. So, I don't think anybody even looked at my account, if we're being honest here. I don't know if somebody tried to access my account. Nobody saw anything weird before it went down. I haven't seen anything weird. I haven't seen anything in any of my emails. My PayPal's fine. Not seeing anything. So I don't know if somebody tried to change the password and couldn't. The weird thing is, on my VIP page, the photo is gone. It's just a generic photo now. So here's the thing, guys. I can't access my business pages now. I thought my daughter was an admin on my page. Apparently she's not. I need to double check that on a laptop, but she says she's not. So I can't access my business page. I can't access my business group. I have to start my Facebook all over again, which I'll be honest, like, a part of me just wants to say, forget it. And I don't want to do this. This isn't worth it. This, many tears have been shed, let me tell you, because listen, I am just a small time business mom. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have been for 20 years. Because we have moved several times, and it's just been easier to do that. We don't have to worry about daycare. Not knocking daycare. It's just easier for us, and we're blessed that we can do that. So I'm thankful for that. So, this is just my little thing. This is, I love Chalk Couture. I love crafting. If you've followed me, I don't know if there's any of my scrapbooking peeps still following, probably on my business page that I can't access. But my whole crafting started 20 years ago when I had my first daughter, and I started scrapbooking and then card making and then all kinds of crafts. And, that led me to Chalk Couture. I love Chalk Couture. And made a little business out of it. And I enjoy it. I like sharing it. So to just have it wiped out is, just trying to, not crawl in a hole, if I'm being honest, because a part of me just wants to, and I know that sounds dramatic. It is, listen, I know there's like a gazillion other things in the world that are way worse than this, but this still is my small business that totally got messed with. This is how I communicate with customers. This is how customers know what events I'm going to be at. It's so frustrating to me that there's no way to fix this. So, moving forward, I have a new Facebook page and group. I am not sure at this point if I'm going to do both or if I'm just going to do the group. I'm basically starting at square one, which is so frustrating. I am going to link all of my new links in the description below. Everything is under Olive Street Creations, so facebook.com/Olive Street Creations. Still have my Pinterest and my Instagram, Olive Street Creations, and obviously this YouTube channel. So, lessons to be learned, other than very angry at a certain social media site. If you have a business page or group, make sure you have one or more additional admins on your account that you trust. Again, like I said, I thought I had one on. My husband's not on Facebook. My son's not on Facebook. So I thought my daughter was on there. Apparently not. And then at least that way I could still access my page and I would not be starting over. I paused there for a second. I ran out of storage space on my phone. Still haven't, I've downloaded my photos from my trip. I haven't deleted off all of the ones I have on there, but forgot where I was going with that. But so that's where I'm at. Like I said, I'm gonna put my new links down below. My other pages are still there. Well, I mean, if you tried to join my other VIP group, you won't ever get approved because I can't approve anybody. My other page is still up. I mean, that's a good reference to look at older things, but I won't be updating that because, again, I can't get in that one. Be sure to go to my new page and follow me on all the socials so that you can get updates and see my videos and all that. And of course, if you can share this post, share my Facebook page, share my YouTube channel, it helps out in so many ways. Give it a thumbs up, leave a little comment below. I would be so ever grateful. So thanks for taking the time to listen to my little rant and get an update on where Olive Street Creations is. Side note, if you are in the Tennessee area, I will be at the Holiday Market at the Agri Center International in Memphis. This is the first Memphis show I've done, so I'm really looking forward to that. And then I've got another show in November. Can't remember where that one is. And then I will be back in Lebanon for Mistletoe Merchants 2. One of my favorite events. I love those. So be sure to follow me on my new page and give this video a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, and I will be back with another crafty video very soon.